Hit him, Chetan Patel with the throw.
Billy still no Billy. Billy goes for a wander. Down around ambles through for a single. He comes back into position. Does
Top 10 rare and amazing moments in cricket. At number 10.
There's the appeal. Deonaran has a look around. Still no Billy, still no Billy. Billy goes for a wander. Deonaran ambles through for a single. He comes back into position, does Billy, and up goes the finger.
there's the appeal. Down around has a look around. Still no Billy. Still no Billy. Billy goes for a wander. Down around ambles through for a single. He comes back into position.
At number 9.
Just falling short. Left it a little, just as we spoke about no excess bounce.
Oh, yeah, he was around Sachin. He was wanting to make friends with him.
At number 8.
This should be taken. Rockman Paul pops it. I didn't get the connection.
That was relatively wide. Look at that.
At number 7.
Oh, he's giving him out. That is incredible. There was a long delay there.
What's going on to hit the stumps? He just needs someone to ask the question, and that finger can be raised. And looking at that, it's
throwing your arms around him and patting him. Most of them were applauding Boucher.
At number 6.
If he gets in, gets going, Diana Vittoria will have other ideas. Oh dear, what's happened here?
Hit him, Chetan Patel with the throw. And it hit him on the head. Lou Vincent, I think, is the one who's been hit by that return from Chetan Patel, and he's down for the count.
At number 5.
Look at this. Just watch this butterfly come into play here. There we are. Come on, Pat. That's obviously an African butterfly. Well, you most things about most things. What about that butterfly? What is it?
At number 4.
Well, that was a quicker one, and Simcox making a little bit of room for himself.
I don't know what happened there. It went down and worked through the stumps. I thought he was bowled myself, and then when he didn't go, well, look at this. Well, it's incredible. But there's always something new you can learn.
At number 3.
The West Indies should have shown some of the courage of our next fieldsman.
And 4 more. Oh.
Is that ball caught the seagull, or is the seagull?
Hit him very, very hard. It's a beautiful shot from Clive Lloyd, and unfortunately on its way through collecting that seagull. And the seagull flying away, the one that was actually hit.
At number 2.
oh, he goes bang. Touch of air from Panesar. I think it's actually hit someone there.
Didn't leave his crease, just swung through the line of the ball. And let's look out, son. Oh, it's a foul.
At number 1.
Could be a chance of run out. Oh, I think he's home in the end. He's gone for the third umpire, Benson.
Such a quick throw, was wide.
Should give us a better indication. The wheels just come off. And he's given him out. That's a very brave decision.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and comment. Also subscribe our channel for more cricket videos.